So here I have a General Electric projector. It's WUMIG WIEN type P8, and if your device is not turning on, it has a little switch down here that you switch on and off. You may want to check its fuse. So you can open up the device right here, and it's a really solid device actually. It's really nice. You can see all the things in here, but it takes a 2 amp fuse right there. So just make sure that you replace it. I put in a ceramic fuse there, so should be fine. And other thing that you want to check out is at the top, you can pull out the bulb by twisting. It uses a 12 volt 100 watt light bulb. So if you have those things, other issue with this one was its belt. It had this rubber belt right here, and I had to add a elastic so that it could rotate. So let's plug it in, have a look here. You switch on. You see it. Let's go in there. Now this one probably does have a bad bulb, but it's pretty ingenious. You will have the reel here, I guess, and it will feed the reel inside, and then it'll light up the light here. And this is like a little focus for the light. Moves the light up and down, well, back and forth, and it will project looks like down in here has a little clip that it will pull the reel in through here, through this wheel, so that it's almost like a sewing machine, but you can see it ticking there. Pretty cool stuff. They knew how to make stuff back then. And then if you want to watch it a little faster, increase the power there.